Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best sheer curtains available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. 1. Amazon Basics Room Darkening Blackout. It is an independent certification that states that these meet the environmental standards and offers the highest safety. This standard allows it to block off the harmful UV sun rays from entering the room. Alongside that, it can also create an insulating barrier that will protect you from extreme cold and hot. That means it will keep your room warmer in the cold winter seasons and cooler in the heatwave-filled summer seasons. 2. HLC.ME White Sheer Voile Window Treatment. The unit comes in plenty of colors. You will be able to choose from 22 different colors. Just like the label states, the unit is of polyester voile. These are made in such a way that they will be able to provide you the adequate privacy, but will not block off the light and fresh air completely. So your rooms will feel airy and will have an appropriate amount of light in the day. 3. GoodGram 2-Pack. Basic Rod Pocket Sheer. To begin with, it comes with 7 different height options. You will be able to choose from 45 inches long to up to 120 inches long one. These are also compatible with standard rods. Besides, it also comes in 14 different color options. This one will also let the soft light pass through, but it will not allow the harsh direct sunlight to get in. The fabric is 100% polyester. It is of high thread material that will boost the overall durability. Thus, it is washing machine friendly. 4. H.VERSAIL.TEX Decorative Home Fashion Linen Sheer. All the sets that the manufacturer offers are well built. Each of the sets also includes 2 linen panels. The textured woven surface will make sure that the direct sunlight gets blocked off, and diffused light gets inside. It will also allow air to travel through. You will also be able to choose from 13 different color options. All of them will go exceptionally well with the rest of the furniture that is in your room. 5. NICETOWN Sheer Curtain Panels Bedroom. These come with a breathable and lightweight texture on the surface that will let air inside, which will cool off your room in heatwave-filled summer days. It will also be able to block off direct sunlight and will allow the diffused light to get inside. Even though the texture is lightweight and breathable, it will be able to offer you an adequate amount of privacy. You will be able to select from 9 different colors.